If you choose, you could watch the video. If not, you could close it down just as I am right now. And when it's done installing, you have the option to visit the creator's website as well. If not, check it off, click OK, and the program will open by itself. Up at the left hand corner, with your device plugged in, click on iPhone 4 Activate tool. Now you see this window. We could click on number 1. And now it's asking us to put our device into DFU mode, which we'll do by holding down the power button and the home button for 10 seconds. Once your screen goes black, count 2 seconds and let go of the power button while holding on to the home button still for another 30 seconds. Now your computer will read your device in DFU mode. Now the SSH process has begun. I'll let this video play all the way through so you guys can see how long this will take. Once you see successful in green letters, you know that the SSH tool is done. Your phone will look like it's in restore mode, and now we can click number 2. You have to make sure that your iPhone mounted. If it said could not mount, you need to close down the window and click number 2 again. Just make sure it mounts. Once it does, we could go back to the program and click number 3. Type Y. You could close down the Java tool, the SSH window, and now your phone will look like it's in recovery mode, and now we can exit recovery mode, which is number 4. Once you're done, you could close down the program, and we're going to uninstall it now that we're done with it by going into Computer, uninstall or change program, and we're going to look for iOS Soft Dev Pack. If you don't delete it off your computer now and your antivirus system turns on,